Hello viewers, today we are going to see about Einstein's photoelectric equation. So Einstein's photoelectric equation is K max is equal to h nu minus phi naught. Now K max is nothing but maximum kinetic energy, h is Planck's constant, nu is the frequency of light, and minus phi naught. This phi naught is nothing but the work function of the particular photosensitive material or metal. So we already know that we have a cathode which is a photosensitive material. It can be directly or indirectly heated. So we can go for a filament which heats this cathode, and we have a anode, and the entire setup is in an evacuated glass bulb. There is a small window. Okay. So the light strikes this metal, photosensitive material. So once it crosses that work function of the material, so some minimum energy is required to release an electron from the particular cathode material or photosensitive material. That work function is phi naught. So afterwards, after crossing this, if you carefully see, the kinetic energy is equal to h nu. Of course, this is constant phi naught for a particular material, where h is Planck's constant and nu is the frequency of the incoming light. Usually what they do is, they will set up exactly at the threshold of the work function. So these are cathode, the potential between anode and cathode, and it is heated with a filament. So exactly what they do is, they will set up exactly at the threshold of work function. That means any excess energy strikes the cathode, electrons are emitted, which we call it as photoelectrons. So you keep the cathode at exactly at the threshold of the work function of the particular photosensitive material. So once light strikes, it starts emitting electrons. So the additional energy is from the light source. So it will start electrons, what we call it as photoelectrons. And by Einstein's theory, this is a light, it is not continuous basically. So it can be viewed as a packets, it has a packets of energy called photons. It is not continuous, but it is discrete with, we call it as packets of energy, which is called as photons. So the relation connecting kinetic energy and the frequency, nu is the frequency, is kinetic K max is equal to h nu minus phi naught, where phi naught is the work function of the material. So the work function of the material, if you don't supply with, if you don't heat the cathode, or if there is no sufficient anode to cathode potential, this excess energy we have to supply through the photons. So we have to somehow or the other, we have to overcome the work function of the material. Then only electrons will be released. So general procedure for doing this kind of experiments is, between anode and cathode some potential will be maintained, and this cathode will be heated with say 12 volts or 6 volts AC or DC supplies. So there will be a filament, it heats up the cathode, and the cathode will be at the threshold of the work function. So any surplus energy through the light or photons or packets of energy called photons, when strikes the photosensitive material, electrons are released, and this electron possesses a kinetic energy which is given by K max is equal to h nu minus phi naught. This phi naught is nothing but the work function of the material. So this is the famous Einstein's photoelectric equation, which you have to remember. Hope you have understood this topic. Thanks for watching. Nandri.